Here are three ways to calculate the sample size by using formulas, manual calculation, by using sample size tables available on internet, and by using different softwares like OpenAP and QueryPass, etc. Sample size dependency. Sample size calculation depends on different situations. Study design. Many study designs have different formulas. The formula depends on a statistical technique to be used to assess outcome variables. Sampling techniques. There are different sampling techniques: simple random sampling, cluster sampling, stratified sampling, and systematic sampling. Research objectives, outcomes, types of variables. There are different types of variable: continuous variables, discrete variables, categorical variables, statistical tests. There are different tests: t-test, chi-square test, pair test, ANOVA test, and regressions. Classification of study designs. There are two main types of study designs: observational and interventional. Case series, case report, cross-sectional, audit, case control, and cohort is the descriptive studies. And also interventional, cohort, case control, and randomized control trials. Sample size informations. Types of data: continuous or categorical. Types of outcome variable: proportion, means, correlation. Statistical test: one sample proportion test, two sample proportion test, one sample t-test, two sample t-test, independent and paired. Analysis of variance test and chi-square test. Sampling techniques: simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified, cluster, and multi-stage sampling is the type of probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, convenience or haphazard sampling, voluntary sampling, judgmental, quota, snowball, crowdsourcing, and web panels. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.